Hello friends, myself Dr. Abhishek Maheshwari, and today we will discuss how to calculate NPV, IRR and profitability index in the Excel. So these three are the very important techniques of the capital budgeting. So suppose this is a question in which a company started a new project and the initial investment is 1 lakh rupees. Because we have to invest the amount, that's why it is shown in with the negative sign. And the life of the project is 5 years, and in the next 5 years we will receive these amounts. In the first year the cash inflow is 20,000, in the second year cash inflow is 40,000, in the third year cash inflow is 60,000, in the fourth year cash inflow is 40,000, and in the fifth year cash inflow is 20,000. And the cost of capital of the project, or you may say cost of capital of the company, is 10%. So how to calculate the NPV? So first we have to calculate the present value of cash inflows. So the formula is equals to NPV bracket start. So firstly the rate is required. So first you click on the rate, then comma, then it is asking about the values. So here we will select all the positive values only. So all the positive values of year number 1 through year number 5, then close the bracket and enter. So this is the present value of cash inflows. Our initial investment is 1 lakh rupees, so we will take the same, and then the NPV. NPV equals to the present value of cash inflows minus the present value of cash outflow, or you may say the initial investment. So the NPV of the project is 36,058 rupees. NPV basically means the net profit of the project after taking the time value of money into consideration. Now the IRR. It is very easy to calculate the IRR. Formula is equals to IRR bracket start and select all the values from initial investment to the last up to 5th year and close the bracket. So it will calculate and will provide us the IRR, that is 22.78%. Now the profitability index. Profitability index means the formula is present value of cash inflow divided by the initial investment, and it comes to 1.36%. So this is how we calculate the NPV, IRR and PI in the Excel. I hope you understood the value. So like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.